Ready for some meal prep? Let's go. Okay, step one, have your meal plan. So what you're going to make already in prepped. And if you want this weekly meal planner, it takes you through what you have. So you make a list of the food you already have in your kitchen so you don't buy extra stuff that you already have. I hate doing that. And then below that, you list all the foods that you need to buy. So protein, veggies, starches, fruit, fat, pantry staples, freezer staples, anything else, toilet paper, all that. It's got a space for that. And then below that, can't see, I can send this to you for free, by the way. Just send me your email. And then below that, it has everything Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday throughout the week. What I'm going to have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack if you have it. So it organizes everything you need. What more could you want? Nothing. Okay, now we can get all the food out. Okay, so now I got all my food out, and this is a good visual for me about everything I have to cook and everything I have to use this week. So now I'm going to thaw all the meat because I was not prepared and didn't do that ahead of time. So we got some chicken, ground beef, shrimp. Also have eggs in there that I can cook throughout the week, and then I'll get started on the veggies. But start thawing the meat first, and then I'll get cooking that. And then I'll start with the veggies that are gonna take the longest to cook. So it's probably gonna be carrots, Brussels. They take a while to chop. And yeah, shouldn't take too long. Gotta have snacks. Snacks on hand. Oh, so good. All right, so first off, I'm going to kind of organize myself, and I have my trusty list here. Sometimes I'll quite often make a list as far as like I'm going to grill the zucchinis, or I'm going to roast the leftover broccoli, Brussels sprouts, basically where everything's gonna go. So you have kind of a game plan. And then I'm gonna chop it all up. All right, so we made it, we're done. Cooked all the food that I laid out, and I have to say, I think it looks pretty good. It smells really good. I know it tastes really good because I kept sampling it, but we're done. So I just want to show you real quick. So I got Brussels sprouts there, ground beef, fajita ground beef, roasted carrots, zucchini, chicken breast with fajita, or actually that might be taco seasoning. Dogs checking out the scraps in the back. And what else we got? That's about it, really. And then I'll have a salad box. And one of my greatest tips or greatest meal ideas, especially if you are trying to diet for fat loss and you're struggling with hunger or satiety feelings, you're eating too fast, throw a bunch of roasted veggies in your protein, your normal meal, so to speak, on top of a bunch of leaves. It adds a lot of volume, it slows you down, you have to chew faster, or chew longer, sorry. And yeah, it can just really honestly work wonders, really make a difference. So this is what I got for meal prep this week. Hope that was helpful. Okay, so almost done with meal prep here. Just waiting on a couple things to finish in the oven. And I don't know about you, but after staring at broccoli and Brussels sprouts and the same food for an hour, cooking them, sometimes I don't want to eat them. Or because I am going to use them all for my meals during the week, I don't want to eat them that night. So what I like to do for as a little reward for finishing meal prep is make dessert for dinner. So got basically just blueberries, protein powder, collagen, peptides, and coconut whip and cinnamon on top. And that's pretty much it. So super delicious, super tasty, super healthy, and a nice little way to cap off meal prep.